I found another method you can use Vio Ultra for free and unlimited. I tested it and it worked. No credit limit, unlimited, zero video generation. Guys, watch the videos I use this particular model to generate. I want to walk you through step by step on how you can literally use it for free without any restriction. But you have to follow the step by step process that I'll be showing you in this video. And I gave a simple prompt, watch the result. This is what I'll be showing you in today's video. So if this sounds like something you have been looking for, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the post notification so you don't miss my next upload. Toastpedia.in. Once you are here, right, you're going to see get started. All right, click on that get started and sign in with your account, choosing any Gmail account of your choice. Now, once you are here, you want to see extension needed. Now, browser extension not detected, required to open 2 sessions. Now, these are the things that are missing. That's why you cannot use Vio Ultra. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can go ahead and use it. So first, we need to install that extension by clicking here to install. Once you are here, you're going to see for PC and desktop, and we also have the mobile version. Now, I made a video on how you can use extension in your mobile phone. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. So here we are using the PC. Look down here, you're going to see 2 files that we need to install. Now the question is, are we getting these 2? Yes. Go ahead and download this first one, and of course download this second one. All right, so we have the 2 files downloaded, that is the 2 extensions downloaded, because you must download the 2. Awesome. So once that is done, go ahead and click here your download history. Okay, you're going to see Toastpedia and the guide. So 2 zip files are here. We need to open one by one. Now let's go over and open it. You can find it in your download if you open your PC. Okay, so here you can find it here in your download, which is the ones we are having here, right? Now first we need to extract this, extract all. Awesome. I'm going to show you what you need to understand. So please follow step by step. All right. So when that is extracted, notice we have all of these. Beautiful. So you've extracted it correctly. If you extract and you don't have anything here, it means something is wrong somewhere. Go back and redo it again. Go back again to your download and let's extract the second one, which is the guard. Now you're going to click on this. Now look at it here. The extracted file is here. Click on here and then extract all. Once you extract all, the same process, right? This is awesome. You have all of this here, right? So if you extract and you don't have all of this here, something is wrong and this method is not going to work for you. All right, so after doing all of this, you need to go back to your browser. What you need to do is to close this particular phase. Now this is what you need to do next. Now open a new tab, right? Once you open a new tab, come on here, you want to see these 3 dots where you have here, right on top of your screen. Click here, you want to see extension and manage extensions. Open it. Now once you click here, you want to see all your extensions are here. It's either you drag it and drop or you load it from here. So I'm going to load it from here. So follow it step by step, right? So once you click on that, you want to see the files we extracted, the first one and the second one. So go ahead and load it. Select file one by one. See it here. So at the end of it all, you're going to have 2 extensions added. Before these 2 extensions can be added here, you need to toggle on your developer mode. If you toggle it off like this, you can't add anything, so you need to toggle it on. So check if your developer mode is already toggled on, okay, so you don't have error message. All right, so go ahead and click here. It's refreshing. Wait for it. So after you've done everything successfully, you're going to see everything will work out just like you're seeing here. Everything will turn green. The 2 extensions installed. Now the next is to click that start trial. Start that free trial. Once you start that free trial, go to my tools. Very important, because we want to access Flow. Once you click on that my tools, now look at Google Flow. Launch the tool. Once you launch, you're going to see this. Please, you need to uninstall all extensions you already have in your system before this can work. After that, go ahead and launch the tools. That is when this platform will work for you. If you don't uninstall those extensions, it will not work. So after you've uninstalled all those extensions, it will launch you directly and it will open you up into Google Flow AI interface. Now you are on the interface right now where you have to start creating. This is where it's getting interesting. Now look up there, you're going to see Ultra written there. That means you did the right thing. Congratulations. And it doesn't stop there, because there are major settings you must set before you can be able to generate unlimited and with 0 credit. So please work with me step by step and let's do this. click on that new project and let's start the project proper. Now, once you click on that new project, it will open you up to the Google Flow interface where you have to add your image if you want to use image to video or text to video. Okay, so let's go ahead and switch to video. Okay, now if you notice where you have to generate is limited, right? But we need to switch it because this particular model must work with the latest model that I'm going to show you. Okay, select that model and make it to be on Veo 3.1. Please take note on the model that I'm using here, Veo 3.1 Lite. Right, so go ahead and select it, and it's 8 seconds and it costs 0 credit. You can see there, right? Then select your aspect ratio. Let's just test and see if it actually works. So I went ahead and I gave a simple prompt and the result. Now the video will start generating as if you are using the normal Flow AI. Guys, at this point you've successfully cracked the code.
A diverse kingdom.
So I didn't just try just one prompt. Okay, I went on to test another prompt, another and another, and I was able to see that this is unlimited, no credit limitation at the moment. So right now it is free and 100% safe and legal. Go ahead and use this method and use Veo 3.1 Ultra.
This is the best club. This is the best club in the city.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to us.
To the night.
I am loving this track.
Did you notice that there's no watermark on it? There is no watermark in all the videos I generated, and I was like curious. I went on to send another text to video prompt, and guess what? The result came out insane. Why am I doing this? I want to prove to you that this method does not just generate one video, doesn't generate 2 videos, but generate more videos. So this is unlimited. Now tell me in the comment section, is it working for you? Have you been able to install it? Let's know what the challenges are. Okay, and then don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss my next upload. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.